If you're tired of underpowered mowers that stall mid-yard or chew through batteries in 20 minutes, this will change how you mow. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the most proven electric push mowers we've tested, models that didn't just look good on paper, but actually delivered in real backyard conditions. Through hands-on testing, homeowner feedback, and real-world use on everything from tightly packed urban lawns to rougher half-acre plots, we've filtered out the fluff to bring you options that work. Whether you're switching from gas, managing a small patch of lawn, or just need something quiet and maintenance-free, we found standout performers for each kind of user. These aren't just popular mowers, they're the ones that solved real problems and earned their spot. Stick around, because one of these might be the last mower you'll need for the next 5 to 10 years. At number 5, you'll never dread mowing again. Worx 40-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower with 2 batteries and dual charger. If you think mowing a small yard has to be noisy, frustrating, or bulky, this compact powerhouse proves otherwise. The Worx WG779 feels like the lawn care version of a high-end, soft-sided cooler, compact, functional, and shockingly efficient for its size. This electric push mower thrives on simplicity. No gas, no pull cords, just a push-button start and go. What makes this stand out is the dual 20-volt battery system, delivering 40 volts of power to tackle up to 1/8 of an acre effortlessly. With IntelliCut technology, the mower actually senses when your grass gets thick and auto-adjusts torque, so you never feel it struggle or stall. That smart adaptability helps conserve battery and smooths out the entire mowing process. And don't underestimate its portability. Under 30 pounds, foldable, and incredibly easy to lift or roll. Like a lightweight cooler that fits snugly in your car trunk, this mower fits seamlessly into small sheds, tight garages, or even closets. Plus, its quiet operation makes it ideal for early morning or evening use without disturbing neighbors. For city homeowners, first-time buyers, or anyone short on space, the WG779 redefines what a small mower can do. It's not about being the biggest, it's about being the most efficient, ergonomic, and easy to live with. And this one delivers all 3. At number 4, power you can feel in your hands. Wild Badger Power 40-volt, 18-inch cordless brushless lawnmower. You don't expect a budget-friendly mower to feel this robust or this well-built. But Wild Badger 40 volts surprised me from the first pull of the bail handle. It's like discovering a high-performance cooler brand no one told you about. Lightweight, rugged, and built for real-world use. Its brushless motor hits 3,400 RPM, meaning it won't just buzz over the surface, it bites into the lawn and leaves a clean, professional cut, even through dense patches. The 4.0 AH battery gives you solid runtime, around 30 minutes, and charges fully in just 60 minutes with the included fast charger, a major plus when you want to mow without waiting half the day. The 5-position cutting height lever gives you range from 1.5-inch to 3.5-inch, easily handling everything from spring growth to summer maintenance. And that 11-gallon collection bag? It saves multiple dump runs, especially on overgrown lawns. Just like a large capacity cooler lets you chill more drinks in fewer refills. Storage is where this mower goes from good to great. It folds flat in 5 seconds, yes, 5, and stores flush against a wall or shed without taking up critical floor space. For practical users who prioritize efficiency, clean design, and real power on a budget, this is hands down one of the best values in the cordless mower category. At number 3, 1 button, 1 battery, all the power you need. Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch cordless electric mower. Some tools are built to impress on a spec sheet. Others just quietly win you over every time you use them. The Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch cordless mower is the latter. It's like the sleek, go-anywhere cooler that punches above its weight, offers just enough room, and outlasts the trip. What grabs you first is the push-button start. Instant, easy, and intuitive. With a 4.0 AH battery, this mower gives a solid 45 minutes of runtime. And thanks to Smart Cut technology, it adjusts blade speed based on resistance, so you're not burning battery when you don't need it. Its 16-inch cutting width is ideal for small to mid-sized yards, and the whole unit weighs just under 38 pounds, making it easy to guide around garden beds and over tree roots. Add in a single-lever height adjuster, 5 positions, and mowing becomes less of a chore and more of a rhythm. If you're already in the Greenworks ecosystem, the battery compatibility across 75 tools makes this even more valuable. It's like investing in a modular cooler system, one power source that serves multiple purposes, season after season. For homeowners looking for lightweight maneuverability, quiet operation, and reliability, the Greenworks 40-volt mower is a plug-and-play winner that gets the job done with zero frustration and no frills. At number 2, a garage-friendly beast, Toro 60-volt max 21-inch recycler push mower. If you've been stuck in the gas versus battery debate, the Toro 60-volt max recycler is the push mower that ends the argument. It cuts like a beast, stores like a dream, and runs with the quiet confidence of a tool that doesn't need to shout to prove itself. Think of it like the oversized hard cooler with vertical storage. Big capacity, but built smart. The 21-inch recycler's steel deck is heavy-duty and mulches grass into fine, nutrient-rich clippings. Combined with RunSmart technology, it automatically optimizes performance and battery use even under load. In thick turf, this thing powers through where other electric mowers bog down. What really blew me away was the Smart Stow design. The mower folds vertically and stores against the wall, cutting your floor footprint by up to 70%. That's no small thing for suburban garages already packed with tools and gear. The only catch is that you'll need to already have or be willing to invest in the Toro 60-volt battery system, as this unit doesn't come with a battery or charger. But once you're in, it opens up a powerful tool lineup. If you're upgrading from gas or building out a garage of smart tools, this mower delivers commercial-level cutting with electric-level simplicity. It's performance, precision, and smart storage, all in one. At number 1. The electric mower that makes you forget gas ever existed. Ego Power Plus 56-volt, 21-inch cordless mower. You know that moment when you use a premium cooler for the first time and realize why everyone raves about it? That's what mowing with the Ego Power Plus LM2101 feels like. It's not just better than most battery mowers, it's better than most gas mowers I've used. The 5.0 AH 56-volt battery delivers up to 45 minutes of true power, and the included rapid charger juices it back to full in under an hour. No fade, no lag, just consistent torque throughout. This mower eats thick grass, damp patches, and uneven terrain like a machine twice its price. And then there are the LED headlights. I didn't think I'd use them much until I found myself mowing at dusk, and they lit up every blade. It's these thoughtful touches that elevate the Ego to top-tier status. For users who want gas-like performance, extended battery life, and low-maintenance design, the Ego 56-volt is the gold standard. It's the equivalent of bringing a high-end roto-molded cooler to a picnic. You don't need to, but once you do, you'll never go back. Each of these electric push mowers stood out for one reason. They solve real problems people face when mowing. Whether you need something lightweight and compact for tight spaces, or a mower that can handle dense grass without stalling, we've tested these options to see what actually works, not just what's promised on paper. The goal here wasn't to tell you which one is best overall, but to give you the right fit for your yard, your priorities, and how much hassle you're willing to deal with. Some are built for speed and simplicity, others are more rugged for thicker grass and longer sessions. If you're still unsure which one fits your setup best, just drop a question. We've likely tested it in conditions just like yours.